Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to increase the maximum upload file size from 256 MB to 5 GB in all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, first of all, you need to install the plugin I have given it to you. The link is in my description. You can download from there. Okay, now you need to uninstall this existing WP migration plugin from the WP dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to uninstall it from my dashboard. Okay, you can increase the size from normal to 56 MB to default to 156 MB to 5 GB, and you can upload a large file size into WordPress all-in-one migration. Okay, I'm going to uninstall it from my dashboard. Now I deactivate this plugin first and delete from here. Delete this plugin from here and upload the plugin by clicking on add new. Okay, then click on upload plugin. Then here you can upload the plugin by choosing file. Then this plugin is included in my description. Okay, you can download from there and install on your dashboard. Okay, now click on install now. Takes few times, okay, few seconds. Then activate plugin by clicking in activate plugin, okay, button. Now after this you need to plugin editor, plugin file editor, you need to click on, right click on, okay, you need to click on plugin file editor first. Then you select the target plugin. Our target plugin is what? Our target plugin is WP migration, all-in-one WP migration. Okay, all-in-one WP migration. Then click on select. After this, you need to go into the constant.php of this all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, then you need to search maximum file size. Ctrl F and search max file size. Okay, then to increase the size from 256 MB to 5 GB or this capacity of your choice. Okay, then this file size you need to multiply this file size by 10 to 10. Now then you require to click on update file. Then the size will be increased from previous 256 MB to 5 GB. Okay, file edited successfully. Now I'm going to click on all-in-one WP migration, over on all-in-one WP migration, then click on import. Now uploading capacity is convert from 256 MB to 5 GB. Okay, thank you.